Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how to move your shifting knob from parking to neutral to drive to reverse, whatever your desired position is, depending on what happened or what you want to do that for. So when your battery die or your shifting knob got stuck for some reason, and you want to push your vehicle to a safe location, or you want to move your vehicle, and I'm going to show you how to do it with the car totally off. While the car is not on, you can still move your shifting knob. So this is what you do. You remove this little cover right here, and this should come pretty standard in all vehicles. Some vehicles may have it like a button that you need to push down, but this particular one have it as a button that cover that you need to take out, and then you're gonna push this into that little hole, and there's a little knob there. So while you push it down, you can then move these down to neutral, back to parking, whatever you decide to put it. And just to let you know, you don't have to hit the brakes in order to move it, but just for safety purposes, I'll suggest that you either hit your e-brakes or your regular brakes, just because if you're on the hill and you're doing this, the car might move whilst you try to switch it from parking to neutral. So for safety purposes, I recommend you hit your brakes, but you don't really need it in order for it to move. The movement don't require the brakes, but for safety, you have to put the brakes on. Your e-brakes or your regular brakes, you need to, step on the brake paddle in order to hold the vehicle or to make the vehicle stable. So push that down, and then you're able to move it to the desired position. And that knob is around this area right here. The thing to push down is around this area right here. So like I said, it might be some button to push down or one to remove a cover like this. And I'm gonna put the cover back, and basically that's it. Thanks for watching.